Hey.
I don't really feel that one. Like, how do you get that one to feel good? Like, how do you like whenever like I don't get it to feel good. Like, I don't get it to feel good.
Whoa.
But let me get in position to help.
Wait, can you?
So let me get like this.
Like, I can't get it to feel
Okay.
good. I can't really get it to feel good.
What is happening?
Wait, come back there, buddy. Oh yeah.
What if you start taking creatine?
You guys actually notice?
Notice?
Yes.
Dude.
I have like a double